Good morning, everyone. I am Luis Justin Dora Asis, 20 years old, from Barangay Gintigian or Moc City, Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. So this is my midterm examination for the subject Social Science and Philosophy to be submitted to Mr. Ervin Matela. So the first question given to us is, how are the contradicting theories of creation and evolution going to be resolved in the terms of existence of the universe and supernatural being? Which statement or principle you will apply to resolve these contradicting claims? So my answer would be, in order for us to resolve the contradicting theories of creation and evolution, we need to recognize that they address different questions. For example, creation. The creation is usually used by religious groups in order for them to answer origins of how the universe came from or originated. While the evolution is usually used by scientists in order for them to explain process of the universe, of how the universe is evolving. But those two theories coexist in the principle of compatibilism, in which they are seen theoretically or scientifically, but they should be seen complementary rather than uncontradictory, because they should work hand in hand in order for us to further develop our understanding about the universe and the existence of the supernatural being. Question number 2 is to briefly discuss the existence of a maximally great being in terms of the following. First is the information of the DNA. The DNA is often considered as a language of or code of complex structure. The complexity of the structure of DNA proves that there is an intellectual source, which is the key point to a maximally great being, who possess the intelligence and power to create such information. The second position talks about the fine-tuning of the universe. A maximally great being, who is referred to as omnipotent or omnipresence, has the intellectual source, which is capable for the precise fine-tuning of the universe's physical constants for life. And that so-called precision can only be achieved by an intellectual being and not by human capabilities. Third key point is about the existence of absolute moral values and duties. If absolute moral values and duties do exist, they may require transcendent source or lawgiver, which is the maximally great being, since moral truth could be more subjective in a purely naturalistic universe. The last key point is about the irreducible complexity. The irreducible complexity of biological systems suggests intentional design. The intellectual design cannot evolve with the gradual modification of man or humans, but only by a supernatural being. In summary, the existence of maximally great being can be argued with four main key points. First is information of DNA. Second is the fine-tuning of the universe. Third is the existence of absolute moral values and duties. Fourth and last is the irreducible complexity. Again, I am Luis Justin Asis, Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, third year, Charlie.